Mark here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Hey guys, we're going to jump right into this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I prep my hair before I go jump in the shower and fully detangle my hair. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So I have my spray bottle with me to lightly mist my hair. I'm going to rub the water in my hair thoroughly and then apply my mane and tail. I am not detangling at this point. I don't want to break my hair. What I'm going to do is actually let this mane and tail mixture sit on my hair with oil on the top of it for about 2 hours before I hop into the shower. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. I will let you guys watch and then I'll be right back. So the reason why I spray my hair with water first is because it's not dry, but just for the mane and tail to accept, like go into my low porosity hair strands. And then I like to kind of finger detangle my hair when I'm massaging the water into my hair strands before I apply the mane and tail to my hair. It also, adding the water first also helps my hair kind of swell up a little bit more instead of just going in and adding a cream straight to dry hair. Sometimes I notice that makes my hair matte, but when I add water to my hair and allow my hair to swell up and then add the mane and tail to my hair strands, I notice that my hair is a lot more receptive to receiving that moisture. And then when I add my oil on the top of my hair, I notice that my hair get a little bit more slip for me to finger detangle my hair further. And then for each section, I like to twist my hair up and then move to the next section. So I hope you guys, I hope that really makes sense. I'm trying to talk a little bit slower because my niece Aubrey has informed me that I talk too fast in my videos. So I'm going to try to slow down a lot more and put a little bit more periods and commas in my videos when I'm making them and I'm doing my voiceover. So once again, I'm going to repeat that step. I'm going to spray water on my hair, then do a little finger detangling, apply my mane and tail conditioner, and then I will finger detangle a little bit more and then apply oil and then twist that section up. And once again, I will leave this mask on my hair for about 2 hours to help my hair swell up before I go further detangling my hair in the shower. I did not get myself showering or washing my hair out. I did not get myself washing my hair out because I'm in my cousin's house. I did not want my hair to be all over the bathroom, which that was a fail. I didn't want the water to be all over the bathroom. That was a fail. But I also didn't have my ring light with me to properly put up in the bathroom. So you guys, I did not get myself thoroughly detangling my hair in the shower, but I did use a wide tooth comb because I had too many little tangles in my hair that my fingers couldn't take care of, and I needed my hair to be thoroughly detangled because I am experiencing a lot of shedding. So you guys, I'm going to just allow you to watch this part of the video. I'm going to show you my shed hair that I lost only for this half of my head, and then I will pop back in here in just a bit. Guys, I'm sorry that I was popping in and out, but I had to keep checking on my son. But this is what my hair looks like, fully saturated. I'm going to put my plastic bag on, and then I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair with water only because I don't want my hair to be dried out from washing it with shampoo, especially with me experiencing so much shedding. I'm just gonna go in and co-wash my hair with just this mane and tail, wash the mane and tail out of my hair with really warm water and further detangle my hair. And you guys, please stay tuned for the next video. I will show you how much shed hair I lost. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave comments down below. Bye.